Hey there, friends. Today we're going to talk about the power of affirmations and how they can positively impact our lives. Imagine this: you've lit a candle for blessings, and now you're ready to make it motivational and inspiring. So let's start with a simple affirmation: I am worthy of love and happiness. Repeat this affirmation every day, and soon you'll start to believe it. Affirmations can help us overcome negative thoughts and self-doubt. They can boost our confidence, increase our self-esteem, and help us achieve our goals. So why not give them a try? Remember, you have the power to create the life you want. Stay positive, stay motivated, and stay inspired. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more uplifting content. Stay awesome, everyone.